Good morning, friends. This video is specifically taken for batch number 23 of the real estate training that I'm going to conduct on the 27th, 28th, and 29th of this month. Okay, see, it's been a long gap this month because this is the first program that I'm doing this month. Generally, I do every week this program, and I used to get people all across the country attend this program. But this month being, there were some holidays and all that. So Diwali was there, and I, deliberately decided that I will conduct on 27th to 29th. Okay, so 27th to 29th, this program will be conducted for 3 days. Starts at 11:30 in the morning, and it can go up to 1 o'clock. 12:30, 11:30 to 12:30 is the scheduled time. But sometimes, due to interactions and other things and all that, it may get extended up to 1 o'clock. So I request you all to come with some notes and be prepared to attend this program with a learning attitude. Okay, do not come to test out, because I'm already in the real estate industry for the last 20 years. And in the last 20 years I've gone through all the ups and downs of real estate industry, and I have reached a pinnacle of heights. Of course I still have to grow further, but nevertheless there has been a success story behind me, which is what I'm going to preach you, right? So come prepared with a learning attitude and then learn. And those who have attended earlier, there also some of them are there in the group. Okay, this is in fact, in the batch 23 group, if you see the numbers, maybe around 35, 40 plus, something like that. But I also have batch 22 where, 22 and earlier and all that, if you see, more than 250 people are there in the other group also. I would like to extend this offer even to them, because this time I'm going to teach something new, which I have not taught earlier. I have learned something new. So that new thing I'm going to teach all of you. So come in large numbers and attend this workshop. And I'm sure that it will benefit you a lot, and you can prosper in your real estate career. Then if things go well, and at the end of the third day, I'll be also announcing my 12-month program, which is there. And if you all of you agree, then you can be a part of the 12-month program also. Okay, that is up to you, purely up to you. But nevertheless, those 3 days is going to be mind-boggling, mind-blowing sessions, and you are going to learn something new, how you can generate around 200 leads, real estate leads, buyer leads. Okay, in fact, the theory that I'm going to tell you, the practical experience that I have experienced and then going to tell you, it can be implemented in any industry, and in any industry you can see this kind of results. So supposing you are from insurance industry or any other industry and want to know something about it, be a part of it and understand how you can do this. Okay, nothing to lose. Hardly about 499 rupees is what I'm charging for this 3-day course. Right, come and be a part of this and get benefited. Thank you so much. My Zoom link will be posted to you maybe end of the day today. And then I would request you all to register in advance so that you don't miss out on the link and all those things. And if you have any queries and all that, if you have any questions, any points to be covered, if you have anything in mind that you want answers for all that, you can post your questions in the group, in the WhatsApp group, and I will answer to all that. Okay. And this is also being published in YouTube. So in case people who are not in my inner circle group, in the WhatsApp group and all, supposing you are an outsider, you're still not in my community and all that, this is an opportunity for you to attend this 3-day workshop, which is scheduled on 27th, 28th, and 29th from 11:30 to 12:30. And I will be posting the link below in the comment box. Click that link, and then it will take you to another landing page where a small video will be there, and thereafter an automatic payment list and a 499 rupees payment link will be there. Click that, and then you will join the WhatsApp group automatically. Okay, right, see you then. See you soon on 27th, and don't forget to post your questions. Don't forget to take action today.